What's going on, you guys? Today we're going to be doing a review on this all-leather steering wheel. It's a flat bottom steering wheel from Unity Performance. This thing starts at like $300, I think, right now. But I think it's definitely worth it, especially with the increased grip and these beautiful ergos on the side. Let's take a look. So here's the steering wheel. You got the awesome flat bottom on down here. It gives you a little bit more leg room, which I really like. You don't have to put your steering wheel as far up. We got some awesome red stitching all the way around, which gives it a really, really aggressive look. So I definitely think that is cool. Got a red stripe right on top. If you guys go to the track, or if you just want a really cool look, you got that red stripe right there, which I really like. All right, so that's my favorite part about turning around a corner now. Look at that. It's a flat bottom. You got way better grips. This thing is a lot thicker than the OEM wheel. So I really, really like the fact they give it some more grip. It makes long drives way more comfortable than the stock Civic hatchback steering wheel, which mine came with a plastic one since it's the base model, so you understand why I was so hyped about getting this thing. So anyway, I'm sorry I didn't record an installation video, but I've had this thing on for a few months now. That little hole right there, you just gotta undo that, get a screw out. Same on this side. After you do that, the airbag will get loose and you're able to actually pop that thing out. Before you guys ever get the airbag out, make sure you unplug the battery in the engine bay for at least 10 minutes so this thing does not deploy in your face, because that would not feel good and it would cost a lot of money to replace. So but once you pop this thing out, there's a bolt underneath. With an impact drill you can just like get that out really quick, and the whole thing comes off. You can put the new thing back on. You just have to pop all these pieces back onto the flat bottom steering wheel. And yeah, so I think this thing is definitely worth the price if you guys are in the market for a new steering wheel for your car. Why not replace the steering wheel? Because it's the part of the car you spend the most time with. When you're driving, this is the thing you're touching the entire time. So I think it's my favorite mod so far on my car. Definitely recommend it to you guys. I'll leave a link in the description down below to Unity Performance so you guys can check this thing out and pick it up if you guys are interested. I know they also have some carbon fiber ones. So this part right here and the red stripe, this part is basically carbon fiber. Same with down here up until this point and this point. You can get carbon fiber style, you can get real carbon fiber, or you can get matte carbon fiber, which is also really cool. So anyway, this video is not sponsored. Just wanted to make a little review on it for you guys. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys did, make sure to drop a like down below. And if you guys are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe for more content on the Civic and maybe some other cars I will be reviewing. So anyway, thanks for watching and peace out.